G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer crinkle potato chips. Potato fries, chips, whatever you call them wherever you're from. So I'm going to do that in a sec, but just remember guys, hit that like button and tap the bell so you'll stay up to date with any videos that I upload and release. So let's get into the yummy potato chips in an air fryer.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Right, first thing you want to do is boil some water. I use this kind. I found ones that have sort of already got a bit of length to them, so these are good. I don't peel them, I just give them a little wash, then I chuck them in there. Now just boil them for 10 to 15 minutes. Now if you've got one of these, oh yeah. So we're going to try and cut. Just going to move that. And I'm going to move that. We'll just put you there. Now, oh yeah, here comes the fun part. And you just keep cutting it to like that. If that's a good size, like that's a pretty good sized one. If you like, oh no, that's too small, that's too big, cut it like that. I have some big chips, small chips, fries, whatever you call them, from wherever you're from. And just start chucking them in the bowl as you go. Oh yeah, yummy, except for the hair. Alrighty then, look at that, yum. Now I'll chuck a bit of olive oil over the top. Just try to mix that through. Okay, I like to add a few things here or there. I'm going to add something new, a little bit of thyme, and then just mix it through. So you turn your air fryer on, 200, 3 minutes. That's just to preheat. Get your chips, chuck them in here. Chips or fries, depending on what you all call them. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit more thyme. Alrighty. Then a little shake, a little toss. Put this back in here. 200. I'm gonna do 12 minutes, then I'm going to sort of toss them and then probably do it for another 5 to 8 minutes. We'll just see how these look in 12. Alright, not looking too bad. Just give it a little toss, here we go. We'll chuck that in for another 7 or 8 minutes. Just sprinkle some, if you want, salt. That might look like a lot, but I'm going to mix it in through all of it. Well, I hope you like these. Whoa. Yum. Let's try one. I don't know. Maybe that one. Hello. Oh, I forgot you guys were there. So good. See you next time for my next meal.